Hi friends, I am Tilak. You're watching Tech May Be Unique, and today we're going to see how to insert a delta symbol on your Google Sheet web on your PC or computer. And if you're new to this channel, make sure to click on subscribe button below. We just quickly move on to the video. So how to insert a delta symbol on your Google Sheet web, I just going to show in this video. So first of all, I just going to click on the insert option. But there is no insert symbol option present here. So you can just use your keyboard shortcut as an alternative. So the keyboard shortcut for delta was you just need to press alt key with a 30. This is for capital and small delta option. I just going to show this is another thing, and 2 3 5. Okay, so if you are just clicking on the cell, just press alt key with 30 and just leave the alt key, which automatically create a delta symbol. This is one of the delta symbol. You can see it's like a capital and small delta. The second option, you just need to press alt key with 2 3 5 and just leave the alt key, which actually automatically create the another type of delta symbol. You can see this is how you just create delta symbol on your Google Sheet web. I think this video helped you a lot. Like this video, share this video, subscribe this channel. We will meet our next video with a super valuable content. This is Tilak signing off from Tech May Be Unique. Have a wonderful day.